In this problem, a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c. This is first part. Let me take a minus b tan theta by b plus a tan theta. A minus b sin theta by cos theta divided by b plus a sin theta by cos theta. Take LCM. A cos theta minus b sin theta by cos theta divided by b cos theta plus a sin theta by cos theta. Here cos theta gets cancelled. We get a cos theta minus b sin theta by b cos theta plus a sin theta. Okay. We take this as 2. Now, this is a very interesting thing. Consider a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square plus a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square. Let us calculate this. So it is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. This 2ab sin theta cos theta cancels. From here you take a square sin square theta and a square cos square theta. So a square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Similarly, take up this and this, b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So both values are equal to 1. So you get here a square plus b square. So I have a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square plus a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is a square plus b square. This is 3. We already have this as c from 1. C square is equal c square plus a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is equal to a square plus b square, or a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is a square plus b square minus c square. Now I will take up a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is equal to plus or minus a square plus b square minus c square under root. So now we will go for equation 2, which is 2 implies a cos theta minus b sin theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta. So it is plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square by c.